Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, comrades, and connections, Facebook friends, LinkedIn connections, and social media friends. Um, Putin, the Russian leader, has reached India. He was received by Narendra Modi, the leader of India, Indian Prime Minister. Please remember that Putin is the perpetrator of war against Ukraine. For unnecessary border issue, for a simple border issue, waged a war against Ukraine. Zelensky was a miniature person. Became a leader. Suddenly, he raised a lot of resources from Western countries, including USA, UK, all these countries, and he has become a hero. So let's hope Google's newsfeed doesn't talk about Putin coming to India, whereas other newsfeeds say that Putin has come to India. CNN, News 18, all these newsfeed says Putin has come to India. Thank you so much.